Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to try and review these two Kohl pencils by Kay Beauty. Now most of you know this, but those of you who don't know, Kay Beauty is Katrina Kaif's newly launched line of beauty. It has exclusively launched on mynykaa.com for now. Now I wanted one Kohl pencil for myself and I did a poll on my Insta stories to check if anyone had had any experience with these, and almost all the responses I got were pretty random. Some came from my brothers, some from like my guy friends, and some followers who I knew have no clue about this. So in case you saw those poll results, just ignore them. But I did get queries from some of you ladies who are genuinely interested in knowing about these kajal pencils. So here are the pencils which we are going to just try. Now the brand has three variants of kajal pencils, if I've got this correct. And I've got two of them. One is the one with the gel formula. It's waterproof and it says it's an all-day wear and glides effortlessly. This is for 450 rupees. And the other one is a little higher end. It's an intense smoky waterproof kajal with the built-in smudger, and this is for 599 rupees. Okay, now I've already done my base, my brows and all the other jazz right now. So I'll just directly start off with the eyes. I think I'm looking quite... Okay, so I'm going to start off with this one, which is for 450 rupees. This is the Kay Beauty Gel Kajal Onyx. And yeah, this is how the packing looks. And this is the pencil. I've already removed that plastic cover that it came encased in because that takes some time. Now, here is the swatch. Alright. Now what I normally do with kajal pencils or any other colored pencils is that I just apply them and I just leave it for some time, and yeah, the clock just keeps ticking, and yeah, let's wait for some time. Now after a few minutes are done, I just rub the swatch a little mercilessly just to see how much stress can the product survive, and as you can see, it is as it is. So I'm just going to apply it now the way I normally apply my kajal, and yeah, here it goes. So like you can see, I've done my waterline. I'm just going to tight line a bit and also go with the same pencil and use it as an eyeliner. Okay, now I have to say this, that so far so good. It's nice. I like the way it went gliding across my waterline. I even tight lined my eyes, and honestly this area can be a little tricky, that part where you do your eyeliner, and I don't know, for some reason it just went and yeah, so it's pretty smooth. I'm going to let it stay like this for some time and then I'll let you know how it is. But yeah, this is what it is on my right eye. I will go with the other kajal pencil on my left eye. Now the next one is the High Drama Smoky Kajal. I believe this one is created to create smoky eye looks. So I will create that smoky eye look in another video. As of now, we'll just test this. So yeah, so this is a roll-on thing. So you can just twist it up and twist it down as and when you need. And it has a smudger on the other side. So it's basically to create those intense, dramatic, smoky eyes. So I'm just going to do the same thing. I'll waterline, tight line, eyeline, and see how it goes. Now we'll test the smudger as well. So I'm just going to take some product and just go a little below the waterline with a very light hand. Yeah. And shut the lid, open this side, and just smudge it off. And from what I get, you have to be very quick with these products because they dry out really quick. So if you apply your kajal and wait for, I guess, even 30 seconds, the product will just dry off. So you have to be very, very agile. Yep, I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, now I've tight lined my eyes and now I'm just going to go in with the liner. I'm very tempted to do something smoky, but then they both won't look the same and I want to keep that harmony. Okay, now both my eyes are done. Now on the right one I have the Gel Kajal Onyx, and on the left one I have the Smoky Kajal Haven Dew. The names are so big it's hard to remember them, but this is the 450 one on the right hand side and there's a 599 one on the left hand side. So that's how you can remember. And yeah, so normally what I do is when I apply kajal pencils or even foundations or colored eye pencils for that matter, I just let them stay for some time and I see how my skin reacts to it and how the reaction with the surrounding situations is. So I don't really take a decision immediately, because even if it has to smudge, it will take at least like 5-10 minutes. So I'll give it a break, I'll take a small tea break, and I'll come back and then let's see what the situation here is. And one more thing which I want to add is that just turn your camera vertically or horizontally depending on where you're watching it, if you're on YouTube or Instagram, because this video is available on both the platforms. So just flip your camera accordingly to get a better view. So I am still on my tea break, and honestly it's been about 30 odd minutes since I had all this on. And yeah, I think I'm quite happy with the way it's turned out. And yeah, I mean, I really can't pick a favorite because both are good. But if I have to choose one, I think I'll choose the one on the right eye, which was again that long name, Gel Formula Waterproof All Day Wear That Glides Effortlessly, the 451. It's quite good. I just like the way it went on my eyes. I wouldn't say the other one wasn't nice. It's really nice, and I think maybe because I smudged it, it is like that. So it's good. It's good. It's good. But I liked this one better. Maybe if this is not available, if it's out of stock or something, I'll go with that one. I will try and create a smoky eye look with this because it's created for that, you know, that smoky eye dramatic effect. But yeah, I quite liked the ink artist gel kajal, the Onyx one. So yeah, both the kajals are good. I like both of them. You can also, perhaps if you're at a store and if you want to try actually kajals, you shouldn't try for hygiene reasons, but you can swatch and see, because again, everybody's skin type is different, everybody's eyes are different. My eyes are super runny, I sweat around this area, so there are so many things that I have to factor in when I buy my kajal. But yeah, even with those parameters in mind, I think this one just does the job. If you can see, this has not moved, it has not budged, it is just there. I don't think if I sweat or cry or do whatever, this one's gonna move. So I quite like this one. So yeah, that is my review for both these kajals. I don't have the lipsticks on me yet, the crayons which she has released. I'll try them sometime later. And like I said, I'll try and create a smoky eye look with the Intense Smoky Waterproof Pencil. And I hope this review helps in making a choice, and I hope you liked it and have fun. Bye.